Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can manage supplier prepayments in Xero. So let's get started. A supplier prepayment happens when you pay a supplier before you've received the bill or goods. To record a prepayment in Xero, here's what you need to do. First, log into your Xero account and navigate to your bank accounts. If you're reconciling your bank statement or recording a payment, select the Spend Money option. Now, instead of just recording a regular payment, you need to choose Prepayment in the transaction type. This tells Xero that this is a payment made in advance to a supplier. In the Contact field, choose your supplier's name. Then, in the Description field, add a note explaining the prepayment, for example, Advance Payment for Order #12D345. Enter the amount you've paid and select the appropriate account to categorize this prepayment. Once you've entered the details, click Save to record the prepayment. Now, this amount will be saved in your Xero records as a supplier prepayment. To view the prepayment, go to your bills and filter by source =sign prepayment, or navigate to the supplier's contact page to see the prepayment listed. When your supplier sends the bill, you can apply the prepayment to that bill. Simply open the bill and click Add Prepayment. This will reduce the amount of the bill and mark the prepayment as applied. And that's it. You've successfully managed a supplier prepayment in Xero. This process helps keep your financial records accurate and ensures you can track payments made in advance. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.